How to use Lovable.dev for free. In this video, I will show you the full guide to accessing Lovable.dev's feature without spending anything. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Visit Lovable.dev using any browser, and you don't need to install anything. Step 2. Click sign up or start free and create an account using your email or GitHub. Step 3. Once logged in, you will land on the dashboard, which Lovable automatically pulls your recent GitHub activity if linked. Step 4. Under the free plan, you can use the main dashboard to view contributions, track habits, and get code-based feedback insights. Step 5. Explore the code review tab. Here, you can paste code snippets and receive structured AI-generated feedback even on the free tier. Step 6. Use the Growth Metrics tab to analyze your coding productivity over time. This includes streaks, focus areas, and language usage. Step 7. Finally, join the community Slack or Discord for tips and feedback loops. Free users still get access to shared learning materials and updates. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.